Well, this is at KILN, Wilmington Air Park, Wilmington, Ohio, de-ice operation. We got right here one of the oldest trucks on the lot. Here we go, starting to spray. And that truck over there, E21, that is Simon, a Simon Global 1997. Truck model number is Simon 0376. That's the last 4 digits of its VIN number. Got a Tempest and some Globals. We haven't seen this Simon in action in a while. This might be the last time, so I'm going to zoom in on it. This is big stuff here. All honesty, I don't think they know what they're doing because they haven't used it in a while. This is a truck that does not have a rotating cab like some of the others do. However, it has a really good telescope. Currently, right now, it's being in the steam by the other trucks. Try to get to the angle here. All honesty, if they could learn how to use it right, it's one of the best trucks out there for de-icing. It really is. I'm hoping you can get my words with the jet engine being revved up right now on the runway and other trucks. They might have aborted ship, but hey. That's alright. It's coming back. Pardon that light. We're gonna shift it over here. There it is. And she's rolling. Well done, well done. Well done, boys. That's all she wrote. Signing off.